Every great change begins with something almost invisible, a single drop, one moment, one decision, one act of care. Every day, millions of people choose a profession built on compassion. They enter healthcare with hope, to heal, to comfort, to truly make life better. But somewhere, caring became measured, time became productivity, healing became documentation, compassion became just another checkbox. More than a century ago, miners carried canaries into coal mines. The birds were never weak, they simply sensed danger first. In modern healthcare, our canaries wear white coats. For years, we called it burnout. But healthcare leaders challenged that idea. They describe something deeper, moral injury, the pain of knowing what your patient needs while being unable to provide it. If the system created the injury, then healing must begin with the system. Hello, I'm Sheikh Mohuddin, creator of Care Drops Collective. I was inspired by the conversation around moral injury. Healing healthcare begins by restoring humanity. Every meaningful conversation creates another ripple. Together, those ripples become a movement. See our more creations on Safer Care series and subscribe to our channel. One caregiver inspires another. One patient changes a family. Every drop of care creates a ripple. Every ripple changes lives. Together, we become Care Drops Collective. One care drop at a time. Let us know your thoughts. What topics would you like to see on Care Drops Collective? Your feedback helps us contribute meaningfully to better patient care and safer outcomes. The future of healthcare will be built by people who refuse to let compassion disappear. One conversation at a time.